For more focused search results, I suggest that you use the Advanced Search feature. The Advanced Search screen allows you to search for data and information by author or creator, the title or subject of a resource, the ISBN, which stands for the International Standard Book Number assigned to published books, or ISSN, which stands for the International Standard Serial Number used to identify newspapers, journals, magazines, and periodicals. In addition, on the right column, you have other options for targeting your search, including the type of material, such as books or articles, journal titles, images, etc. You can also search for works published in a specific language and a start and end date. In general, the start and end dates refer to the publication dates and is a great way to narrow down to works created during a specific time period. You also have the option to add additional lines of search criteria by clicking on the Add a New Line option. Keep in mind that the more search criteria you add, the more targeted and narrow your results. You may also apply Boolean logic to limit or expand your search. This simply means applying the words and, or, and not to each line of search criteria. Boolean logic is used by many search tools to target the results, including OneSearch, databases, and Google. The concept of Boolean logic is discussed in more detail in the appropriate section. Let me show you how all of this works. Let's say I have an assignment that requires me to find information about foster care during the Progressive Era written within the last 10 years. I will start by entering my keywords and phrases, including foster care and Progressive Era. You will notice that I typed quotation marks around each phrase. This tells OneSearch to find only those resources with those words in that sequence. Without these quotation marks, the results may include resources that contain the words foster and care separately within a document, resulting in more extraneous results. We will also keep the materials type set to all items, but modify the start date to reflect January 1st, 2010, which is the previous 10 years. By leaving the end date open, this tells OneSearch to include the most recently published sources. After clicking search, you can see that there are more than 200 results. At first glance, I notice that some resources focus more on orphans and not on foster care. I can then go back to my search criteria and exclude the term orphans by adding a new line and the Boolean term not. As a result, I notice that there are significantly less results that are more focused on my topic. I can then continue to refine my results using the options in the left column.